Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious salmon dinner. First, select high-quality salmon fillets, ideally about 6 ounces each, ensuring they are fresh. Gently pat them dry with paper towels. This crucial step helps achieve that perfect crispy skin. Then season your salmon generously on both sides with a pinch of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any herbs you love like dill or parsley to enhance its natural flavors. For a beautifully crispy exterior and tender interior, pan-searing is an excellent method. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a non-stick skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering. Carefully place your seasoned salmon fillets, skin side down, into the hot pan. Cook for about 4 to 5 minutes until the skin is golden brown and wonderfully crispy. Then, flip the fillets and continue cooking for another 3 to 4 minutes, or until they reach your desired doneness. Knowing when your salmon is perfectly cooked is key to a great meal. You can tell it's done when it easily flakes apart with a fork at its thickest point. For precise cooking, an instant treat thermometer should show an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, transfer the salmon to a plate and let it rest for about 5 minutes. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is moist and flavorful. Now that your salmon is perfectly cooked, it's time to enjoy it. This versatile dish pairs wonderfully with a variety of sides. Try serving it alongside some roasted asparagus, steamed green beans, or a vibrant garden salad for a balanced meal. A fresh squeeze of lemon juice over the top will truly elevate its natural flavors. For a complete and satisfying dinner, consider adding a side of fluffy quinoa or brown rice. Enjoy your easy and delicious homemade salmon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.